Video inspection of the main sewer lateral at 8627 Henrietta, St. Louis, Missouri 63144. This is Robert with SureFix Plumbing. We have entered in through the 6-inch scheduled 35 yard T access, have made our way ingoing towards the home. We are under the basement floor at the main stack. The main stack is just straight ahead. We have hydro flushed the line. We will camera from this point in reverse and document our findings. We are in PVC right now. And there is where the PVC ties on to the existing cast iron. Was a repair at one time. See, there's quite a bit of scale buildup on the cast iron. Cast iron looks to be in rough shape. There's a branch that's catching something there. Another line tying into the main sewer. See there off to the left of the screen, the cast iron is broke and is separated. We are approximately 26 feet away from the stack, 26 and a half roughly. Top right hand side of the screen there, that appears to be a crack in the cast iron. Again, the cast iron really showing its age. Here we start holding some water on the bottom of the lateral. And as we see here, the top of the pipe is completely gone. Hard to get a good visual on it. Looks like the bottom of the pipe has gone too, off to the left, or I'm sorry, the right hand side of the screen. The upper right hand side of the screen, you can see that piece of pipe just sitting there. Looks like that pipe is completely rotted away. That was at the transition of the 6-inch clay tile to the 4-inch cast iron. Right here, right past the transition, we have a crack on the top section of the clay tile. Just to the left of the screen here, let me turn my counter off. Just to the left of the screen there where the numbers were on the counter, looks like a downspout line that ties in right there. And here we have mud that we have tried to hydro flush out of the line a couple times. Mud is falling into the pipe right at the transition where the top of that pipe is completely rotted away. The dirt is just falling straight into the pipe. have more dirt in the line. It's made its way through the line with the heavy amounts of rain that we've had. And then running water and hydro flushing as well. The dirt is spread out through the line, clumps of mud. The rest of the clay tile appears to be in pretty good shape. A couple minor offsets, quite normal with old clay sewer lines, not causing any problems. Hard to get a visual on it, but possibly a little crack off to the left-hand side of the screen, right above the numbers there on the counter. Appears to be a crack in the clay tile, and we are just right at the ingoing line of the yard T. Here we are at the yard T. So that's just right inside the ingoing line. Going outgoing. Try to rinse the camera head off. And some water down here. Mud on the camera head from the various mud that's in the line. And then we'll camera this line in reverse so we can get a clear visual on the sewer. Back in towards the house. Camera had turned around on me. We already seen that. Okay, here we are at the tap to MSD. Reset the counter. And we'll camera from the tap to MSD back to the 6-inch yard T. Again, just a little waste debris in the line. That's from the mud where it's falling into the sewer. Holding a little bit of water here. The outgoing portion to MSD. Make sure I didn't miss anything here. Hard to see when it starts holding a little bit of water. And here we are back at the yard T. We'll recommend dig and replace all cast iron underneath the basement floor. replaced just outside the foundation wall at the transition where that crack is in the 6-inch clay tile. This will conclude our video inspection. 8627 Henrietta, St. Louis, Missouri 63144. This is Robert with SureFix Plumbing.